since 2010, we would say, with what has happened here, there has been a marked progress. In the program that happened in Liaison, in each training, we came out only with 2 programs. In the second year, we came out with 3 programs. And you would realize this year, we have been able to do 8 programs, which is quite indicative that the broadcasters and the chief of stations that were selected to participate in this Common Way of Learning, Community of Learning program, they were well selected because they are active, they have got some experience, and we hope that the new techniques and formats that have been introduced during this training is going to help the station improve on the quality of broadcast, content, and the audience will increase. Those who probably were hesitating to fund or to advertise in these radio stations will start sending their announcements and advertising their business, because they will realize the station has a very powerful audience. The activity targeted the mothers and children, as we did say, because the mothers and children in our communities are the most vulnerable. And if we did cover the interests of these children, we are tackling 6 out of the 8 Millennium Goals. We have been able to do a variety of programs during the training in Kumba, and I want to announce here that after this training it is not all, because we shall be arranging to come to your radio stations to do 2 or 3 days training in-house to assist you who have been trained as trainers, to train those who are on your station. We will also be going to the French-speaking communities, and the region that we chose for that was the West region. So don't be surprised if we send a mail to any of you we considered apt to do the training like George did, to come and share your experience with the Francophone colleagues where we are going to do the training next time. I want to use this opportunity to also congratulate you for your elections into the new Association of Broadcasters, the Cameroon Association of Broadcasters, the National Network of Broadcasters, which is going to affiliate this year with AMAC. And we understand that AMAC is an association, it's a world association that promotes activities of community radio stations. And it is important that Cameroon, being the focal point for Central Africa, should belong to that organization, and that other countries that surround Cameroon would obviously in the near future join AMAC. We, each time during our training, issue certificates to individuals that participate. You would realize that this training in Kumba was a little bit exceptional because we were focusing on the stations. So we have designated certificates of participation to the radio stations and not to individuals, because the second phase would be training on the spot, and those who will be trained on the spot are going to have individual certificates from us. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you and to pray that you have a nice journey back to your radio stations, and that what you have learned here should be used meaningfully for the development of your radio station. After this, we're going to have our lunch, and I wish you a safe journey back. Thank you very much.